Hello guys! Good morning! We are here now on day 4. So guys, hindi ako yung nagluto ng breakfast. So I will show you kung ano ba yung pinrepare ni Laojang. So guys, ayun pala yung pinrepare na breakfast ni Laojang. So kain tayo guys. Bali pala parang pancake to guys. Na may capsicum. Guys, papunta na tayo ng site. So today, walang nanghiram ng sasakyan. So may sasakyan tayo. Guys, nag-start na rin pala yung Ramadan. Bali 2 days ago yung mga engineers sa solar, they are appealing na i-adjust yung time ng shift nila tsaka yung time ng closing para consideration ba para sa fasting nila. Understandable naman siya guys, kaya for the moment ganun muna yung arrangement nila hanggang matapos yung Ramadan. Na-share din pala nila guys sa this Ramadan period yung mga bilihin talagang matataas bago yung Ramadan biglang nagsitaasan yung mga bilihin. Today you will do fasting?
Yeah, I'm doing fasting. Yesterday we went pray for the fast today.
Okay.
Today we can start one
So you will complete the fasting up to 30 days
by God's power.
by God's grace.
Yeah.
Guys, they said they are helping one of our worker. They are saying John is very slow, that's why they are helping him. Guys, yung mga workers ko pala nagre-request din sila na bawasan yung target work nila for consideration sa Ramadan. Hello guys! So guys, pauwi na pala tayo. So tingnan ko kung magluto ng lunch or kakain na naman sa labas. Pero bala ko guys, magluto na lang. Kung gusto nilang kumain sa labas, sila na lang muna. Pero ako magluluto na lang ako siguro ng itlog. Para ba tipid guys? Kasi medyo mahal din talaga yung gastos Bali pala kahapon guys, hindi ako kumain ng kanin like full day. So gusto kong kumain ng rice ngayon. So papartneran ko na lang ng omelette. Guys, nasa bahay na ako. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong lunch.
Kumusta?
Yeah, today is the start of Ramadan.
Billahi, you see my face?
Auntie no food. The
Start
full day.
Ramadan, Today
Yeah.
you see my face?
Auntie, you will use this for what?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Yes.
How do you call this plant?
This. Gungun.
Gungun? I don't know that you can use this. Name is man.
This one is good.
Do you know this, guys? Even our drivers, they are taking this. They said they will use for drink. It's mint. This one.
This one is nice.
It's nice. Auntie is about to go back home. Kasi,
Bye-bye, I'm going, Till tomorrow.
till tomorrow. Bye-bye. Auntie is wearing dress.
Few moments later.
Guys pala, hindi ako magluluto ng dinner. Si Laojang yung magluluto. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung niluluto niya. Guys, pala for today's video, hindi tayo nagluto. Si Laudiang yung nagluto mula breakfast hanggang dinner. So, dilig-dilig na lang tayo ng halaman. Guys, si Tita, kakabilib si Laudia nga, sobrang bilis niya magluto. 30 minutes lang yata. 3 putahe. Ako medyo mabagal ako magluto, guys. Di naman kasi ako professional na cook. Pero sa bagay, sila naman, kahit ano namang gawin nila, mabilis silang kumilos talaga yung mga Chinese. Bali pala tong sa silihan ni Labu. Dito ako kumukuha ng sili, guys. Kasi daming bunga. So maya-maya nito, guys, mag-dinner na ako. Thank you for watching, guys. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye!